In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site on Google Sites fast and easy. So if you need to remove your site from the web, but aren't quite sure how to do it, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you understand each one so you can successfully unpublish your site without a hitch. Let's start by navigating to Google Sites. You can do this by simply typing Google Sites into your web browser's search bar and clicking on the link that appears. If you have an account, make sure you're logged in so you have access to your list of sites. If you're new to Google Sites, welcome. It's a straightforward tool offered by Google to create websites with ease, linking seamlessly with other Google products like Google Docs and Slides. Now that you're on the Google Sites homepage, the next thing you'll do is click on Google Sites itself. This action will take you to the dashboard where all your projects are located. Here, you should see a list of your created sites, both published and unpublished. It might look a bit busy if you have multiple projects, but don't worry, it's all manageable. Next, take a moment to identify the site you want to unpublish. Once you've found it, click on the site to open it. This will take you to the main editing page of your site. You'll notice that the editing interface offers a variety of tools and options for customizing your website. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on unpublishing it. In the top right corner of the screen, you should see a button labeled Publish. It's accompanied by a small arrow pointing downwards. Go ahead and click on this arrow. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options, one of which is Unpublish. Select Unpublish from this menu. Once you've clicked on Unpublish, a confirmation window will appear. This is just a quick prompt from Google, reminding you that your site will no longer be publicly accessible once you proceed. If you're certain about your decision, click on Get It to confirm, and with that, your site will be removed from public view. Remember, unpublishing doesn't delete your site or its content. It merely takes it offline, storing it privately to your Google Sites account. You can republish whenever you want by following the same steps and selecting Publish instead. By following these straightforward steps, you can quickly and efficiently unpublish any site you have on Google Sites. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.